National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina has issued a tornado warning until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for northwestern Horry, Marion, southeastern Dillon, southeastern Robeson and western Columbus counties. At 12:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a tornado. This tornado was located 6 miles northeast of Gallivan's Ferry or 10 miles southeast of Mulligans, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of your home. If no sturdy building is available, seek shelter in a ditch on the side of the road and cover your head with your hands.